Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving through St. Thomas and we're going to look at the construction on the Southern Coastal Highway. Now this section that we're looking at on the left is the section from Yallow's Bridge to Harbour View. And this section is going to be 4 lanes. And to be more specific, we are driving from Bull Bay to Harbour View. So this section of the Southern Coastal Highway is going to be 4 lanes. Now, if you notice, we're driving on the original road. And this original road, which is 2 lanes, is going to be expanded into 4 lanes. So this section of the highway is going to run along the existing road. However, the road is going to be upgraded or expanded from 2 lanes to 4 lanes. And this is going to be from Bull Bay all the way back to the Harbour View Bridge. And I'm not sure if you remember, but you'll see soon, the Harbour View Bridge is actually 4 lanes. So that's where the Southern Coastal Highway is going to start in Harbour View. And the highway is going to run all the way to Port Antonio. It's going to be 110 kilometers, and it's going to run along the southern and eastern parishes. It's going to go through the parishes of St. Andrews, St. Thomas, and Portland. Now, as we drive along this road, you're going to notice, as we said earlier, the highway is going to be expanded from 2 lanes to 4 lanes. Now, if you notice, on either side of the road, you have homes, business places, retail establishments, commercial establishments. You can see on the left at this section, some places were cleared. So the new highway corridor will include the acquisition of over 600 parcels which are within the alignment. So you have the new highway that will impact 391 structures to include homes, churches, schools, clinics, grocery shops, hairdressing parlors, jerk huts, commercial businesses, retail establishments, and it's even going to take a piece of the Bull Bay football field. So it's a major project. You can see as we drive along, you can see the work being done beside the existing road. So this is a major road project. And okay, so the highway is going to be built in sections. The section we're looking at falls under section 1A, which would be from Kingston, or more specific, Harbour View to Yallows. Or if you want to be more specific, from the Harbour View Bridge to the Yallows Bridge. Okay, so this section of the highway, so let's go through it. From Kingston to Bull Bay, which is the road we're driving on now. We're actually heading from Bull Bay to Kingston, but this is the road. It's going to be 4 lanes, and the highway is going to run along the existing road, which is 2 lanes, and those 2 lanes will be extended into 4 lanes. Now at Bull Bay, okay, so the new alignment begins at the eastern end of the Harbour View Bridge. It continues eastward adjacent to the main road leading to 11 miles Bull Bay. So that's the road we are looking at now. So that's going to be 4 lane. Now, at 11 miles Bull Bay, the road is going to divert south at 11 miles towards the South Coast Adventure Park. We actually have videos up at this section of the road, and what that means is when the road reaches 11 miles, it's going to take a new alignment. So at the section between 11 miles and the Sun Coast Adventure Park, the road was dug through the hill. So that's going to be a new road. And it's going to be 4 lanes, a dual carriageway. This road, I don't think this existing, the road that we're looking at, is not going to be a dual carriageway. But when you're from the 11 miles to the Suncoast Adventure Park, it's going to be 4 lanes and it's going to have the concrete barricade in the middle. We have videos up of the road so you can, that section of the road so you can take a look. And then, okay, so the road diverts south at 11 miles towards the Suncoast Adventure Park. At the Suncoast Adventure Park, it then rejoins the existing road leading towards Grants Pen, and then continues from Grants Pen to Albion St. Thomas, and it ends at the western end of the Yallows Bridge. So that is section 1A of the Southern Coastal Highway. Okay, so let's go through the different sections. Now, section 1A will take you from Harbour View to Yallows. Section 1B will take you from Yallows to Morant Bay. Section 1C will take you from Morant Bay to Manchinal. Section 1D will take you from Manchinal to Boston. And then Section 1E will take you from Boston to Ferry Hill. And Section 1F will take you from Ferry Hill to Williamsfield. And the last section will take you from Williamsfield to Port Antonio. So the section that we're driving on now, okay, we're coming up to the Harbour View Bridge, or did we pass the bridge already? But this is the area. As you can see, it's already 4 lanes here in the Harbour View area. Okay, we passed the bridge already. This is the Harbour View roundabout. So at the bridge that we just passed, that's where the road will start. Or if you come in, or end if you're coming, depending on which section, which end are you driving from. So this road is going to be 110 kilometers, and there's another section that goes from Cedar Valley to Morant Bay. And of course, you know, the contractor is China Harbour Engineering Company, and the new highway will be equipped with new and expanded drains, new culverts, new detention ponds. The road will be raised in certain sections. The speed limit is going to be 80 kilometers per hour, and the project was supposed to take 26 months, but it has been delayed. You can look at the videos about the local subcontractors that we have up, and that will give you an idea as to why the road is delayed. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe.